to talk about a very serious topic, that is HTTP host header attack. This is caused because of a simple misconfiguration on your server side and can lead to serious attacks such as SSRF and injection attacks. So let's first understand what is HTTP host header. HTTP host header is a mandatory request header that specifies the domain name that the clients have to access. The main purpose of this header is to identify the backend component that the client wants to communicate with. The server, if it implicitly trusts this header and does not validate it, then an attacker can easily use this input field to inject payloads that can manipulate the server side. There is this weird assumption that hackers and pen testers do not have control over the headers or the input fields of the headers, which is completely wrong. Because using proxy tools, we can easily input payloads and manipulate the server side by injecting scripts and many other things on the headers of the input field. So it's very important for you to understand that on the server side, the validation needs to be done correctly so that all these input fields or the payloads that go to the server validates them. And if it is coming incorrectly, then it scrutinizes them. Therefore, coming back to the host header part, it's important that the server is configured in a way that every request that goes to the server, it's configuring or is checking for the host that is being incoming, and it also scrutinizes all the requests. Thank you.